you've taken up running. Apple Watch has taken up a few new things as well. First, it tracked your distance. Now, it's tracking your stride length. It learns your favorite route, then lets you race against yourself.
You're behind.
Yeah, you're behind.
When you're swimming, it can tell a breaststroke from a backstroke from a kickboard. And when you're done, it dries itself off. This isn't a dream. Your watch can take an ECG. But if it was a dream, that watch would track your REM sleep down to the minute. It checks your heart rate. It checks for temperature changes to estimate when you've ovulated. It checks out when you're buying spaghetti. It could already detect if you fell. Now the microphone detects impact noise. The accelerometer senses rapid deceleration, and the barometer measures a shift in pressure consistent with an airbag going off. So it can check if you need help after a serious car crash. And hey, it also shows your ground contact time.
Amazing.
Have a nice run.